reporting on duty. Bangret is here. Hi everyone, welcome to Trade with Bangret. My name is Bangret Solomon, and it's another beautiful Sunday, and we are here again. Today is the 28th of June 2026. Yeah, we are wrapping up the month already, and a lot of things are happening in the Bitcoin chart. Okay, so let's dive into it. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to announce to each and every one of you, for those of us that are on the long position trade on BTC with me, I want to tell you the fact that I have closed that long position, and the only reason is because of the candle closure of BTC yesterday. So let's look at it and see what we have on BTC today. Don't forget, today is the last day of this week, and tomorrow we'll be doing a weekly summary analysis on BTC, so that we know what you have to expect the next week on BTC. Okay, so let me delete all this so that you get to understand why I'm now bearish on BTC. Okay, so on this daily chart, our target yesterday on our long position was 62k. Yes, this place, but the candle closure of yesterday have changed our bias on this. So what is the next plan now? Because of the current candle of BTC, if I must trade BTC today, I will short instead of longing. That's why I close my long position, even though we close that trade on a very massive profit, 1:2. Our target is 1:3, but we close on 1:2, so it's still a win for us. So let's see what happened on Bitcoin yesterday and what we should expect today. Don't forget, today is the last day of the week, so expect a volatile price action in the market. So what are we expecting today? This is the candle that BTC printed on the daily candle yesterday, and if you are very conversant with this candle, this is what we call inverted hammer. Yeah, it might not look like it, but this is an inverted hammer, or what we used to call pin bar. This is a very reversal candlestick, especially when you see it on a resistance zone. Okay, so if this candle have closed on a green note, that's on a green, it could have been a different case altogether. But looking at the candle closure, taking the high of yesterday and closing bearishly on this zone is something else. And if you watch the entire price action of BTC yesterday, you will see that it's not something. There is a lot of resistance holding Bitcoin from pushing forward. So please guys, if you are watching the short clip of this video, please do well to use the link below this video, join our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, and then have access to the few analysis. Okay, so I'll be as brief as possible so that we'll have our intake on BTC this morning. So what are we expecting today? Based on what I trade, if I must judge yesterday's candle, what I'm expecting, what BTC is currently doing now is valid, right? Why did I say it's valid? We need to come and clear these orders here, then before we saw. I will show you the chart, the graphics expectation I'm looking for on BTC. So if I should judge this rejection block yesterday, I'll simply set my order here, but I will not set that order. I will do it on confirmation, because BTC is likely to take this high yesterday, then close below this range, and then start selling. Don't forget, today is the last day of this week. Anything can happen. We might even see a movement to this extent, but definitely I don't think BTC will get to this particular 62k that is taking the high of this. We might just have a brief take off yesterday high, then reject into it, and then start selling, because BTC need to come back here. Yes, you see this 58k zone, BTC need to come back here, because there's a lot of orders here. See this rejection here? That's why I marked out this rejection here, waiting for BTC to come back here, give us a reason to buy, and then we buy again to complete our double bottom on the daily time frame. You see it now. So this is what I'm expecting on BTC as of today. Okay, so we trade on confirmation. Once the confirmation is there, then we'll give out signal in all our community channels. So do well to follow all our community, follow us on X, join our WhatsApp community, join our Telegram channel, follow us and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and be active on our TikTok page. Okay, so guys, let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see what the market is doing. You can see the level of boring price action we are experiencing. You can see it. This is a double top already in this zone. So I'm patiently waiting for Bitcoin to come here. Is either I take this high, close inside this range, and then I will take my shot, or come here, reject, give me a reason, a change of state of delivery on the lower time frame, then I'll shut it down. But definitely have it at the back of your mind. If that today, tomorrow, or next, BTC is coming back to this zone. It's just as simple as that. Alright, so I believe I have been able to simplify this chart today, and I have given you a head up on what you need to do. Okay, so if you watch the closure of this first 4-hour candle of the Asian market, you see there is a potential of BTC coming to the zone to pick this order. If you're an aggressive trader, you can set this order here, but if you're a confirmation trader like me, you can wait so that we see the reaction that BTC will display here. It's just as simple as that. So thank you guys for having me. I believe there's a lot of simplicity to this analysis this morning. I'll see you again in our next analysis tomorrow. Don't forget, I remain my humble self, Progress Solomon, and don't forget that Bangred is out. Bye for now. I'll see you again in our weekly review tomorrow on BTC. Bye for now.